Tired of mixed reviews and late night stress? Maybe it's not your listing, it's your vacation rental hosting style. I'll help you define your natural approach so you can improve guest experiences and reclaim your sanity. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Ever wonder why some guests leave glowing 5-star reviews with emojis and all, while others barely say thanks? Maybe it's not just the amenities. Maybe it's you. Yes, friend, how you host is just as important as what you offer. Understanding your vacation rental host management style isn't just some fluffy personality quiz. It's the key to fewer headaches, happier guests, and way better bookings. In this episode, I'll walk through the main host styles, what they mean for your business, and how to play to your strengths without burning out. I'll also talk about how to identify your current approach and the traps to avoid, and what to tweak if your reviews or your sanity aren't where they should be. The hands-on hero. You reply to every message in under 5 minutes. You fold the towels with Pinterest-worthy precision, and you know your guest's dog's name. The pros? Outstanding guest satisfaction. You catch problems early. 5-star reviews, practically a guarantee. The cons? You're glued to your phone. Burnout is creeping in. Families wonder if you joined the witness protection program. If this is you, consider outsourcing cleaning or automating check-ins. You'll still be the warm-hearted host guests love, but with a little more me time. Imagine this. A guest walks into your vacation rental and their eyes light up. They take in the perfect blend of comfort, style, and care, and they know they found something special. But getting there, that's the challenge. That's why we created Start Strong, building a successful vacation rental from the ground up. This course isn't just information. It's your blueprint for creating a rental that stands out and sells out. Transform your vision into reality. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to success today. The systematic strategist. You love good checklist. Automation tools are your BFFs. You've got pre-scheduled messages, cleaning logs, and the guest handbook that could win awards. The pros? Everything runs like clockwork. Guests get consistent, clear experiences. Easier to scale your business. The cons? May come off a bit robotic. Guests might miss that personal sparkle. Sprinkle in some custom touches, like a local snack or handwritten note. Even automation can have heart. The laid-back landlord. Your guests do their thing. No rules on quiet hours. Flexible check-in. And a text if you need anything. The pros? Low stress. Relaxed hosting. Appeals to independent travelers. The cons? You might miss key maintenance or guest issues. Reviews can be hit or miss. If this is your style, build in some structure, just a bit. Guests appreciate knowing what to expect, even if that expectation is do whatever you want. The absent owner. You've hired a property manager. You're not involved day to day. You enjoy the income, check reviews once in a while, and get monthly reports. The pros? You've got time, freedom. Great if you own multiple properties. The cons? Less control over guest experience. risk of bad management or missed opportunities. Be proactive about vetting your team and check in with guests post-stay. A little involvement goes a long way. So what kind of host are you? Chances are you're a blend. Most hosts don't live neatly in one box. What matters is knowing your default mode and making sure it serves your goals, not sabotages them. And if you're still figuring it out, that's okay too. The Mastering Vacation Rentals Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business course has an entire section on building systems around your style, not someone else's. That's how sustainable success happens. So what is your hosting style, and has it changed over time? Share in the comments. Here are your 5 key takeaways. Your hosting style shapes the guest experience. The hands-on hero offers wow service, but risks burnout. Strategists shine with systems, but need personal touches. Laid-back hosts keep it cool, but need clearer boundaries. Absent owners need top-tier teams and feedback loops. Hosting is a little bit art, a little bit business, and a lot about knowing yourself. Find the style that fits your life and your guests, and tweak as you grow. The goal? Happy guests, happy hosts. 0 2 a.m. toilet calls. You want to dive deeper into systems that support every host type? Visit the course page, link in the show notes, and explore Mastering Vacation Rentals, Start, Manage, and Thrive in the Rental Business. And there wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rentals shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, happy hosting.